the fender wheels are on the ground. And I've got plexiglass all the way around the outside. I'm trying to get them in an open area so I can get them back up.
It only happens when you have visitors come.
Exactly right. Exactly right. Mine does that too every time.
Hey, you have somebody come down who wants to give you
Oh, it doesn't.
I didn't do anything with it. Okay.
I'm going to drag it around by the DCC cable so I get it around the front. Looks like I stood up right in the middle of somebody's picture.
It's okay. No, actually, you didn't get it.
Oh, darn it. That's good.
That's one the scale guy tells you, oh, it looks good, so you got lobster claw for couplings. I think they are. There are certain, aren't they? The couplings are certain HO pipe.
Those are OM3 couplers.
Oh, really?
They're
Okay.
802s. KD 802s. Drive shaft in it. That's when I had to sit there and hog out the brass frame and everything else. And
That's a cool one for everybody.
I finally got this one
That's
running,
one of the brass ones.
and that one died.
Oh,
And there's
geez.
another one in a box down there that died. All three of them died within probably, two of them died within 2 hours of each other.
Wow.
It's designed to actually do continuous loops, but it's also designed to do full operating sessions. We have a dispatch board here that actually has a configuration of the layout, where we actually have the dispatcher sitting here, and then we have 4 or 5 engineers actually running trains. A couple interesting notes. Over there is a roundhouse. I designed it. My dad built it. He really did a nice job. In front of the roundhouse is a turntable, scratch-built turntable I built. I designed and I built. There's a couple little bridges on the layout. Actually, one over there my dad built. A lot of kits, a lot of Lennox type of buildings, a lot of animation, fall theme, you know, 40s, 50s, 60s, bunch of everything. I'm not a rivet counter. I just like to have fun and I like the way it looks. So feel free, if you got any questions, just yell them out so we can all hear, so I can answer them, so I don't have to answer one-on-one. It'll be a lot easier. I do have a flying Yankee here. Let's fire up some trains. I actually have, hey, yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, sure. Okay, yeah. Okay, see ya. Yeah. That's good. I like to have fun with trains, so I'm not a rivet counter, I like what I like. I put on down my rivet. I had a big Christmas tree that's in the other day.
That's what it looks like, isn't that 125? Yeah, so you have calculated on the car. They didn't have the calculator when they did it.
You're using Digitrack?
I actually have a Digitrack system and a lens system. Right now I'm using a lens system with the 3D throttle. Tsunamis Just tell everybody, in case you haven't heard, that roundhouse over there, my dad built, I designed it, my dad built. The turntable is scratch built, I built it, I designed it. 55 closed quad switches, all hand built. 49 by me and the other 6 were by random friends. single main line, we have traffic going in both directions on all four trains. Very key to not having crashes. If you monitor, good enough siding where we can move to different places. Oh, goose? Right there. Goose. Yeah, it's perfect.
I'm working my way over.
I wish. So it was great because Dad was here. When I put the loop together, like I said, 288 lots, when they came together, we had the ceremony. Go this way, go up to the south, three trains down. The Maritime, across the bridge. Yep. That bridge was on display in the last case of the year. Really? Back in there, like that. Yeah.
They used to sit there and really. My dad would be fishing now.
Yeah.
And I'm a little 5-year-old, 6-year-old, who's watching the train. That's in those days.
That's what actually happened.
This is pre-axle back and forth line. They had regular trains every 7 hours.
So I'm going to pull this into the station.
South wing, because between the two, if he's actually in there, one
Something came up, Boston Marine. You know, we all have projects like that, right? But, like I told everybody, my goose is my most recent project. I bought a bunch of 0130 gooses. And I built one, actually I bought one and dumped it up. And it actually ran on Santa Gate. They did such a good job. I showed a couple guys. They loved it. I said, hey, build me one.
Brass would be all always
Oh, yeah? What train did you cut this down? Like I said, if you got any questions, feel free.
Is your dad still around?
Nope, he passed away in 2003. One of the last things we built was this train station that you see how it is. It's an actual replica of I'm big into smoke. Projects. I bought some ON30 gooses. I've actually converted them to run on standard gauge. This is one right here. I'm actually going to be selling some, so if you have any interest, let me know.
So this is where I'm running every week.
Oh, okay.
Not in the summer, but hopefully it's like every week.
That's why it's jail. Everybody's looking at me. I'm a high rail wheel guy.
Okay.
I run TV couplers. I don't count rivets.
And we have
sort of program
I wasn't even talking about
make up the movement
track
of the
is
Pirate.
and we have typically 4 inches, sometimes 5 inches.
Actually, for Christmas, like those, that building right there, that mill, that actually is winter seat. And all the snow on the top, I just painted brown and put like rocks on it, so that ground cover. So it looks fall. There's a few of them over there. There's a couple of department 56 ones around. Got some kids that I built. And I did something really aggressive with kids, and then I said, oh, these other ones, you can stand for the same place as the kids. It's done, If I want to buy a kid stuff along the back. Oh, okay. Along the mountain. Guys, some real cool ones back there.
Good size for you.
Yeah, I got one of those.
I stripped it down and made a
Yeah, nice. Nice. So one of the trains that are going around has a crane on it. You see it, it's actually a work crane. It has a bunch of rails and wheels and stuff like that. That crane, that yellow crane, is actually an HO crane that actually has a decoder in it. That actually the boom swivels around. Down, you turn this, push the button. That turned out to be a great idea. So you button here, that's pretty sweet. So it's great. And it gives you two things. It's also green. The way directions with the green light is. Most of the main line is set to green, so I had a main line, and it's real quick, all green. I got a main power bus, 12 gauge, that's strand wire, and then I did that. Very nice.
I know, I saw that in the magazine.
There's actually 2 tracks up there that run, so that was rail, one main line, so this guy's very important. But, you know, it's very simple. And what we ended up doing is really cool, because we started off going from this town to this town. That was a short track, that was very boring, right? Yeah. So our orders are basically go, hey, do Esky and do Esky. Bill, Helen, and Michael. They kept trying to tell me to do Esky. I can do Esky. See what I can fit. I said, okay, I'll tell you what, I'll do Esky. You guys gotta help me, because I can do Esky. Yeah. That's when this came. Yeah, all right. It turned out. I never looked back. I planned. I spent 3 months on the drafting board, actually on AutoCAD system, laying it out.
All right, bullet train, full of all the operating accessories, full of loaders, all that stuff.
Tommy, how long have you had the Flying Yankee in the O gauge? Did you get that before the S gauge?
Oh yeah, that was MTH.
And it operates? I mean, it runs, whatever?
Yeah, it's got sound.
Does it?
But this was the classic. This, to me, was the classic right here. My dad had 4 pictures. And to him, it was like a replica. The only thing different in this doesn't have the long extension on it, which would probably be about 8 feet long.
I just love the way he makes the bricks.
Oh yeah.
Tommy, when did he build this?